Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at a WWE Raw Deal Vengeance starter. This one has 61 cards, just like all the other WWE starters do. This one is Paul Heyman. Let's see what's in here, because I haven't seen what's in one of these yet. So, as usual, there are going to be some specific cards just for Paul Heyman. And then a bunch of, like, randomly inserted cards. So let's see what we got. Alright, we got our rule book, Raw Deal Vengeance. And it is about 50 pages, of course. And it's got the cards and the layouts. Not a whole lot of images in these, but enough to give you an idea what to expect and how to play. So Vengeance is very similar to Divas Overload and the other starters. But let's look at the cards here. The back is very similar to the others. The older ones, of course, have the F, and these don't, because this is when they changed their name. This would have come out in 2004. Around the same time as the Divas. Alright, here we go. We've got a leaping neck snap. Another leaping neck snap. Pretzel jerk. Another pretzel jerk. Quick reflexes. Quick reflexes. Unexpected turn of events. Another unexpected turn of events. Suplex into the ring. Suplex it into the ring. Pre-match event. This is going to be a rocket buster. Grab the ref. Eye rake. A lot of reversals so far, it seems like. Struck by a kendo stick. Another struck by a kendo stick. Another one. Clumsy opponent. Another clumsy opponent. Oversell maneuver. Oversell maneuver. Here we got a mid-match backlash. A mid-match dirty low blow. Another dirty low blow. A back rake. A poke. Another poke. How do you like me now? Perplex opponent. Bootlace. Steel chain shot. Blindside slam. We got a first blood match, pre-match stipulation. Then we've got a discus punch strike. An elbow to the face. Another elbow to the face. Running lariat. Running lariat. Garbage can lid. Another garbage can lid. A stranglehold. Then we've got a pre-match Chicago street fight. Brass knucks shot. There are two things you can do. Nothing and like it. Shoot punch. Another shoot punch. Rapid fire punches. A pre-match pay-per-view main event. Rolling suplex. A pre-match event, SmackDown #1 announcer Funky. Left cross punch. Left cross punch. Left cross punch. Right cross punch. Right cross punch. Right cross punch. I can't be reading this right. Manager interferes. And now we get into the specific foils. Do you know who else is hot? Woo. Big Boys Club. Then we've got Enforcer. Can only be revealed if your superstar card says you reveal an Enforcer card. Can be revealed by any GM superstar. Coach, Cole, or Finkel. So it's some sort of special card. I don't actually know what this one does, but it looks like you could pick one of these three, and then something specific happens based on the text. Then we've got our Paul Heyman card, General Manager. General Manager has special abilities, of course, and those are foils specific to this deck. So you got your 4 foils, and then a pretty decent assortment. This looks a lot like one of the Diva decks we were looking at earlier, which I believe had Gail Sims and Holly Molly? Is that her name? It looked very similar to that. So I think that's the deck I'm thinking of. Is either that or the Dudley Boys, but it's very similar to that one, at any rate. So that's the WWE Raw Deal Vengeance Paul Heyman starter deck, or theme deck. So that's what's in the box. That's going to do it for this episode. Hopefully we'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.